Hey, Sat, call us on board. So here we're gonna solve basic math practice lesson 2. So here come to the first problem. Here we need to find the value of x. So here 2x minus 7 here equals to 9. So we need to solve the equation. So we will add plus 7 for the both side. Here 9 plus 7. So here we will get this minus 7 and plus 7 will be reduced. So here 2x will come and 9 plus 7 equals to 16. Here x 2x over 2 and here also 16 over 2. So we will get x and here 2 will goes over 16. It's 8 times. So x equals to 8. So now let's go to another problem. So solve the system of equations. So here 3x plus 2y equals to 12. So from the next equation, so we will get x equals to 1 plus y. So 1 plus y. So now we can put the value of x equals to 1 plus y. So here 3 times 1 equals to 3 plus 3 times y equals to 3y plus 2y equals to 12. So here the 3y plus 2y equals to 5y equals to 12. So here we need to 5y plus 3 here and minus 3 here. 12 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 equals to 5y. So here 3 will be reduced. So here we will get 12 minus 3 equals to 9. So now it's a y equals to 9 over 5. So 9 over 5. Now we will find out the value of x. Here y will give me y value is 9 over 5. So 9 over 5. Here 5 is the common denominator. So 5 1 by 1. So here 5 times 1 equals to 5 plus 5 will goes over 5. So 1 times and here 9 times 5. So here 9 times, sorry, there's the 1. So 9 times 1 equals to 9. So here we will get the 5 plus 9, so equals to 14 over 5. So here the value of x is 14 over 5 and value of y is 9 over 5. So now let's come to another problem. Here quadratic equation. So x power 2. So x power 2 is x squared minus 5x plus 6x. So here it's a minus 5x. So here we can convert like this way: 6x plus 6x minus x. So it will give me 5x. So sorry, here we need to put your plus x and here I need to put the minus 6x. So minus 6x plus x equals to minus 5x. So we will convert minus 5x like this way. Just write down your x squared minus 6x plus x plus 6. So here it's not matching with the things. So we need to solve like this way. So here we need to convert here plus. So plus minus into minus will give me the plus value. So here it's a minus 5x. So your minus 3x minus 2x. So minus 3x minus 2x. So here multiply relation with the coordination like quadratic equation. So here we can convert like this way: minus 3x minus 2x minus 2x. So here x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So now it can match with the equation. So x will be common for this digit and this digit. So now we'll get x minus 3 and here we will take common minus 2 and here also it's a 3. So now it's a minus 2x, 2 times x minus 2x and minus minus plus minus multiply with plus minus, it's plus, and 3 times 2 equals to 6. So one of the function is x minus 3 and another one is x minus 2. equals to 6 0. So here 0 0 and 0. So we will get the value of x equals to 3 and 2. So let's solve another problem. So a car travel 150 miles over 3 hours within 3 hours. So miles. How fast the car traveling in mile per hour? So it's a 3 divide. So we need to put 0 and it's 3. 3 will goes over 15. It's 5 times. It's 5 times. So it's 50 miles. So how fast the car traveling in mile per hour? So per hour the car will run 50 miles. 50 miles. Now let's solve the problem. Another problem here. Find the area of triangle, and here the base means, so first write down the triangle. Okay, so here the base is 10 units. The base is 10 units, and here height is 6 units. 6 units. So from the Pythagoras relation we can see like A, it's a B, and it's a C. So C square equals to A square plus B square. So C equals to A square root over A square plus B square. So first we need to solve like this way. The 6 A square plus 10 A square. So here is 36. 6 times 6 equals to 36, and 10 times 10 equals to 100. So here we will get 136 root square root over 136. Now we need to solve this. So it's 136. So here 4. So 4 will goes over 36, like inside the 13 it'll go 3 times and 4 times. So 4 times 34 equals to 136. So it will give me 2 square root over 34 unit. So if there is any wrong answer is not correct, so just comment on the description like what is the correct answer, or try this one. So what is the slope of the line passing through the point? So here x equals to 1 2 and y 3 6. So here we can find out it's a 2 points. So here we will get the distance. It's a distance, so it's a x2 square minus x1 square plus y2 square and y1 square. So here we're gonna solve like this way. So here is x2. So x2 is 3 square minus 1 square equals plus here 3 square. This is x1 x2 and this is x1. So here y2 is 6 square 6 square minus 2 square. So here we will solve like this way. So it's a 3 square means 9 minus 1, so it's a 8, and 6 times 6 equals to 36 minus 4, it's a 32. So it's a 9 minus 1 equals to 8 plus 32. 8 plus 32, so it's a 40, root over 40. So we'll get 2 square root over 10. So the slope of the line passing through like 2 root square root over 10, it's a unit. So solve the inequality. So here solve the inequality. 4x minus 3 less than equals to 13. So how can we solve? So 4x, so here is negative 3, we will need to add 3 here. Here also we need to add 3. So now it will give me the result like 4x less than equals to 13 plus 3 equals to 16, and here Now we need to divide by 4 for the both side and 16 over 4. So it will give me the answer like x less than over 4, less than equals to 4. So now come to another math here. Simplify the expression 2 to the power 6 and over 2 to the power 3. Here 2 to the power 6 means 2 multiply with 2, it's 6 times. So it's a 6 times. So 2 to the 2 power 6 means 64. So you can calculate, it's a 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. So first one is 64 and 2, it will give me 8. So it's a 64 over 8. So we will get 8 times 8 equals to 64. So we'll get 8. So this is the answer for this. Now come to another problem. Find the area of triangle with the base units 10 units and height of 6 units. It has already done with the previous problem. So now it's the last problem. So f of x equals to, for this function of x equals to 3x power 2. So x squared is 4x plus 1. So now we need to solve like this way. F of 2, we need to find the value of f of 2. So here x equals to 2. So here 2 a square 4 multiply with 2 plus 1. So here it's 2 times 2. 2 square means 2 times 2 equals to 4. So 3 times 4. So 4. 3 times 4 equals to 12 minus 4 times 2 equals to 8 plus 1. So 12 minus 8 equals to 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So it gives me the answer 5. So if there is any problem with the answer, so just feel free to ask any question about the tutorial or any kinds of practical question you need to solve. Just give me the question and I will give you the solution for next tutorial. So thanks for watching this video. And one of the things is, like, if you go forward with this series, if there are any kinds of mistakes or any kinds of problem you find out, so tell me freely with the email, or there is a phone number you can call me directly, or any kinds of tutor help you need. There's a one-to-one free tutor we will provide free when you go for the whole series of video. So thanks for watching again.